Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm testing out some Japanese food. We go to our local, I think it's called Food Mart or something like that, down at North Lakes. And today I found some pretty cool stuff. Let's get into it. So we've got Chikatato Migarine fried noodle flavour chips. I've already opened them. Got the boys to try some of them, and it just tastes like the fried onion. Really good. I would definitely buy these again. These are our go-to snacks. Crispy seaweed. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is a different flavour. This is Japanese sauce flavour. And they're just strips of seaweed. Yeah. Really healthy for you. About 430 kilojoules. There's like a spicy flavour. There's, I think, like an octopus flavour as well. This is another seaweed snack, but this is like crispy, like tempura. I think I've had these before. Not too bad. They're very. It's probably a little less healthy, but oh, your little pieces. Oh, I'm gonna try one of these packets. They're more crispy, like they're pretty good. Now, this is my favourite drink of all time. Pocari Sweat, sorry. Really good. They have like huge bottles for $4, but I just get this little one. It's kind of like a Gatorade. Yeah. There's two snacks that I haven't tried before, but always wanted to. Now this one is handmade matcha, green tea with creamy filling. I don't know how they'll be like, but let's try them. Ooh, it's like powder type situation. Ooh. Ooh, they're like slimy a little bit. Alright, here we go. It just tastes like green tea. They've got like a bit of a filling. They're kind of sweet. They got like a cream filling kind of thing. They got like two fillings. They've got, I don't know if you can see that. Not too bad. There's not a lot of flavour. I think they're all over me. What are some Japanese foods that you guys like? These are like my go-to, especially the seaweed crisps and my curry split. I also like their light tea. Their chrysanthemum tea is quite nice. So this is a traditional handmade chocolate cream Daifuku. I'm not saying that right. This is chocolate. This is in their fridge section. Or what are they? Oh, little. Oh, they might need to be defrosted, actually. What does it say? Get frozen. When served cold, it's like ice cream. Rich flavored chocolate cream filling wrapped in soft rice skin. Refreshing and tastes like ice cream. Oh, okay. Defrost, to room temperature. Okay. That's what they look like. Maybe. Oh, they're definitely frozen, so I can't really eat them. It's just like chocolate ice cream, but like a bit of a jelly type coating. Quite nice. Yeah, just like ice cream. Yeah, that's not bad then. Oh, I did have this little bottle of matcha tea. I thought the bottle was really cute. Alright, that is all for today. Bye!